Hi guys, so for those of you that don't know, my name is Michael and I am the woodworker for MK Designs, and I'm just doing a quick update video for you guys this week because I told you that I was going to try and do that. We're getting ready to leave on Sunday for South Carolina for my son's graduation from basic, and as you can see, I've already got the shop packed up including the canopies. That's why the sun's beating down on me right now. I will try and do a live update or something along those lines while we're gone, just so you guys can keep up with what's going on, and I'll figure out what to say in the updates and whatnot. One thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take little random video clips here and there along our trip there and back, and of the graduation and the family day ceremonies and all that, and I'll put together a compilation video of all that. Some people might be interested in it, some people might not sure. We'll find out. When I get back, I will be finishing up the wine rack, and I will be finishing up the memorial box that I mentioned in my last video, and I'll get those videos both put up within a couple of weeks after getting back, and we'll go from there. I've got a few other ideas. I'll mention them in one of the update videos. So yeah, I don't really have much to say right now. That's pretty much it. So looks like it might start raining here soon. So you guys have a great couple of weeks, and I'll talk to you when I get back. Until then, happy creating.